Did you know space isn't completely silent? NASA even recorded the sound of a black hole. Let's dive into why space might not be as quiet as you think. When we think of space, we imagine complete silence. After all, it's a vacuum, right? But what if I told you that silence isn't the whole story? Today we'll explore why space is mostly silent, the science behind sound, and the incredible discoveries that prove otherwise. Why space is silent. Sound, as we know it, is a pressure wave that travels through a medium like a solid, liquid, or gas. When these waves hit our ears, they vibrate tiny hairs and bones, sending signals to our brain that we interpret as sound. But in space, where there are no molecules of liquid, solid, or gas to transmit those waves, sound simply can't travel. So yes, space is silent, or is it? Why space isn't completely silent? Here's where it gets interesting. Space isn't entirely a vacuum. In certain regions like galaxies and nebulae, there are huge clouds of gas and dust. These molecules can transmit pressure waves, essentially sound, just like on Earth. And in 2022, NASA released something incredible: the sound of a black hole, recorded using data from the Chandra X-ray Observatory. This low-pitched, eerie warbling sound wasn't audible to the human ear naturally. Scientists used a process called sonification to render it into something we can hear. And it doesn't stop there. Gravitational waves and plasma waves, like the solar wind from our sun, also carry vibrations that can be detected by Earth-based radio telescopes. While you wouldn't hear these sounds if you were floating in space, they're very real and measurable. So, is space silent? Mostly, but not entirely. It holds whispers of fascinating sounds, from black holes to plasma waves, waiting to be uncovered. Fascinating, isn't it? If you're curious to uncover more cosmic mysteries, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey through the universe.